Welcome to our guide on how to navigate task and accounting dashboards in Docyt. Let's begin. First, log into your Docyt account. Once you have logged into your account, the Tasks dashboard will be displayed for you to access. The Tasks dashboard offers a glimpse into a summary of tasks requiring your immediate attention that are blocking bookkeeping, like review flagged transactions, open items, review upload document requests, review flagged invoices/receipts, review duplicate vendor merge options, disconnected bank/credit card account, complete business setup. The accounting dashboard organizes and displays all of your businesses in one place. It provides valuable information such as the number of unread mails in the mailroom, the status of your invoices, unverified, unapproved, unpaid, the number of unapproved receipts, and any open issues with your transactions. Simply click on the business name to access different modules within that specific business. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to navigate tasks and accounting dashboards in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.